Hello everyone. Today's video topic is buildings name in Italian. इटालियन ज़ुबान में इमारतों के नाम. चलिए वीडियो शुरू करते हैं. Let's start the video. First of all, we have house. House in Urdu घर and Italian word is casa. For house यानी घर Italian word is casa. Casa. Next word is school, and for school Italian sound is scuola. Scuola. School Italian word is scuola. Next building name is cinema, and Italian sound is cinema. For cinema Italian sound is cinema. Cinema. And next we have hospital. For hospital Italian word is ospedale. For hospital Italian word is ospedale. Ospedale. Now we have library hall or library, and Italian sound is biblioteca. Biblioteca. L is silent. Word is biblioteca. For library Italian sound is biblioteca. Next word is university, and Italian word is università. Università. For university Italian word is università. Università. Next word is church, and Italian word is chiesa. Chiesa. Church, chiesa. And for mosque Italian word is moschea. Moschea. Italian pronunciation is moschea. Next word is police station, and Italian word is stazione di polizia. Stazione di polizia. Our last word is airport, and Italian sound is aeroporto. Aeroporto. For airport Italian sound is aeroporto. Aeroporto. Don't forget to press subscribe button. Thank you. Ciao.